Oh la 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 la. That's not good. Look, all the dirt. But you see, it's still ticking, but I think it's not healthy with all the dirt. And now it stops. Look, yeah. Welcome back to the channel. I am Dimitri, the watch doctor, and a very good morning to everyone. I'm here at the workbench in Gistel, a small town near the North Sea of Belgium. And on my bench I have this beautiful vintage Omega automatic watch. And with this watch we go back in the 60s. So first I have a cup of coffee. And then we will start. It's black coffee. No milk, no sugar involved. We say watch out. Yeah. So this time a vintage Omega automatic watch from the 60s. It's still working, like you can see. So that's not bad at all. But I can feel it's difficult to remove, to set the hands. So I think it definitely needs maintenance. No, I'm very sure about that. Yeah. So we will do a complete strip down in this video. Those are easy straps to remove. I will check the buckle. The buckle isn't original. And I think the plexiglass is also not original anymore, because the original one has an Omega logo in the center of the glass. I think here it's not. And the watch is missing a golden ring at the edge. And that's also not the point. So let's start with the dismantling. See, the light is good. We will remove the watch case back and see what's inside. Inside is this beautiful rhodium based Omega caliber number 565. There you go. And here you can see the watch case back. Fabriqué Suisse, Swiss made, plaqué or 20 microns. Not bad. And here you can see, if you didn't know, here is an extra ring. and this one I will replace. So now, like you already can see, I've put the macro lens on, and we can start with the strip down of this Omega 565 movement, automatic movement. We start with to remove the case clamps. There's one over here, and then the other one is over there. For that I use my screwdriver 120. Like you can see, I touch the watch with my hands because that's no problem, because I need to clean the watch movement. Then it's not bad for me. Yeah, and the other one. I try to film it as good as possible. It's not always easy. I think that's Lewis logic. Voila. Before I turn the watch, I will remove the automatic device module, because then that's already out of the way. And I think, yes, there are only 2 screws to remove it, one over there and one over there. So we will remove the screws of the automatic device module. The other one is over there. And like I mentioned before, there is no problem for fingerprints, because I will do a professional cleaning of every part of this watch. I think I have to remove it, the bridge over here. Yes. And you hear the click. It's coming loose of the automatic device module was coming loose of the basic movement. But here it's still fixed, I think. Yeah, okay. No, that's good. There you go. I have to see everything is good in beeld. Voila. Now you can see this is the automatic device module. Maybe it was better I first removed the rotor, but okay, I can do it afterwards. Oh la 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 la, that's not good. Look, all the dirt. Oh my god. What's happened with this one? Look. Yeah. I think I will put it in an ultrasonic cleaning first, and after that I will put it in my watch cleaning machine, because otherwise I think it's not gone. All the dirt has to be cleaned. Okay, let's look at the basic movement now. Yeah. I think there's here at the crown. It's coming in of the stem, I think. Yeah. But you see, it's still ticking, but I think it's not healthy with all the dirt. And now it stops. Look, yeah. Probably there is some dirt from the rotor that's already inside of the movement now. Okay. So we will go on. We will remove the watch stem for now. Here you can see, push down the setting lever and simultaneously take out the watch stem. If it's I feel it's very, it's stuck. Yeah, you see it. So now you see, there is no reason, if your watch is still running, you can say, hey, it's still running, no problem. My watch don't need a maintenance. And I have a lot of clients who thinking I'm like that. It's the same with an old clock. 20-30 years, it's working perfect, and then from the one day to the other it stops. Yeah, what's the problem? Yeah, okay. Then it's already too late. Okay, we will turn the movement like this, and we can remove the watch case. Now I put finger cuts for the dial to protect the dial, but yeah, the dial isn't that good at all also, so but for me it's in my mind, when I'm touching a watch case dial, a watch dial, I always put some finger cuts on. So I'm putting back the setting lever, or the winding stem, not the setting lever, the winding stem, of course. So now I will remove the hands and I put the watch on my movement holder. If you like this kind of videos, please let me know. I know there are a lot of subscribers who like the fast edited movies. I also like them at the most. So if you want, I think I will make a quick video about this also. Remove the hands like this, because I will make a lot of videos now. I'll try to do my best to make one video, at least one video a week. As you will see, there will be videos, short videos, maybe not too special, but if you don't like them, yeah, don't look at it. Please let me know. But for me, it's also important for the YouTube algorithm. Let me know if you like videos or not. Now we have to remove the dial, and for that there are 2 dial screws there. So you have to open the dial screws. Okay. For this I'm using my screwdriver number 10. And the other one is over there. Voila. And now we can remove the dial. And I am curious what we will see beneath the dial. Voila. And now we can remove it. And we can see the date changing mechanism. I think it's looking not too bad at all. Cleaning, we can clean it. Yeah, okay. Look, and now the watch is running again. But I think I will first take the tension off the mainspring, so the watch is not running anymore, because with all the dirt and yeah, that's not good. So how we do it? I'm winding the watch, and now I'm pulling back the click. Look, pulling back the click here, and now we can unwind the mainspring. And the watch will stop ticking. You see it's already stopped. My anchor. Voila. And then we have the watch. The plexiglass, you can, because it's not original, I will change it. This one is plexiglass. If you want to remove it, just push at the inside, and then you can remove it like this. not difficult. I will search an original plexiglass with spannering with a golden ring inside, so the dial cannot move. It will opspannen. If the ring is there, but you have to see if you can find it. So voilà. So now all the case components are in this box. I store it in a box like this, and we can move on with the movement. We will first take apart the automatic device module, the 2 screws, and first I will remove the rotor. I put my micro lens back on. Dit zit er zo op. It's like this. Voilà. This is a very small screw over here, 0.7 in millimeters. This one I will change. Voilà. The automatic device module is almost stripped down, and then we will go on with the basic movement. And then I will start to remove the balance complete. Those screws are also very small. Very small. Voila. There you go. Voila. Applaki. So this is the automatic device module, completely stripped down. Now we can go on with the basic movement. And now I remove the balance complete. To do that, there is a small hole under the bridge here, where you can easily put a screwdriver under it, like here, and then you lift up the balance under the dingus, under the bridge, and you can take it out. And then you can turn it around. And the pallet fork. And now the train wheels can move freely. And now I will remove the center second pinion. And after that, we will turn the movement and start dismantling the date changing mechanism. Oh, watch out. This one. And then here the center second pinion. Voila, now we can turn the movement. and we can start dismantle the date changing mechanism. Okay, now we will remove the date indicator guard, and this is held by 2 screws. The date indicator. It's a little stuck. The hour wheel. Okay. Now okay. Now I will remove the cannon pinion with my special tool, the cannon pinion removing tool. Like this. This is very difficult to record. And it won't, and it looked many. It's I think the cannon pinion is a little bit too fixed. We will take a close up, you see. There is a lot of rust at the cannon pinion, so I think I will first remove. Oh, wait. I will first remove the rest, and then I will see if we can remove the cannon pinion. Now we will disassemble the date indicator guard. I think my screwdriver is not sharp enough. I have to take a look at that, so I take a smaller one. And I have to watch out that the spring is not flying around you see here those little springs are easy to fly away. Voila. Now we can go on with the rest. And because I can't remove the cannon pinion yet, because there is a lot of rust, I will turn the movement and first will disassemble this side. And after that we will see how it gets. Also a lot of rust on this screw. So there is definitely some water in the movement. Here's a little spring. Spring, not a spring, but voila. And now we have to remove the click and click spring. There it is. It's not always that easy to record it, to film it in a good way, and to hold all the parts, because when I'm filming, the camera is right above the movement, so it's difficult to go very close to the movement to see all the parts very good. So it's a lot difficult. It's more difficult when I record it than without. So but then, hey, you guys have good content, I hope, that I can make more of it. more of this, so yeah, we will go on. I first store the parts in my container like these. Up. Voila. And then we can go on. And now we will remove the barrel bridge. So we first have to remove the cannon pinion at the other side before this will be loose. And the barrel complete. I will first dismantle the barrel complete and then we will go on. Voilà. Now we will lose the barrel arbor. And if you see this, it's better you take a note how the mainspring is set into the barrel. So you are sure when you reassemble it, it's in the correct position. Now we will remove it from the... I do it like this. Voila. And the mainspring is... I think the mainspring is still in good shape. I will show it with my other lens because this is a little bit too close. So here you have the mainspring. It's in good condition, so I will reuse it. No need to replace this mainspring. And now we will try to remove the cannon pinion. And now I will first remove the keyless work before we will check the cannon pinion. Because I think we will have to remove the cannon pinion because there is too much rust on it. Almost done. I will put it under my microscope so you can see it even better. Now I will try it again if you can remove the cannon pinion or not. No. And because the cannon pinion is too fixed about the wrist, I will first put it in an ultrasonic bath, and after that I will try to remove it again.